All right, week 9. The finish line is in sight, everyone. Chapter 8, Prevention of Illnesses. So, again, read your chapters or listen to them, whatever your preference has become. You do have a discussion board. You do have a discussion board, and then you will have the community factors, which will be a flip grid. Start reading chapter 9 this week so that you're prepared for next week. But overall, that's where you're at. Just so that we touch base back on the key assessment, your key assessment should be halfway, if not 3/4 of the way done by now. And then make sure that you listen to that video on how to complete that key assessment. It is due on December 9th. I'm going to just make sure I'm right. Yay, December 9th. I cannot open up the course later for you. So it has to be done, has to be submitted, and I have to be able to view it in all its wonderful glory. So I would suggest that you upload it and then email me and just say, hey, can you take a look? That's always best practice. And I try to go in and do that for everyone anyway. But just in case, send me the gentle reminder. We are almost done. I mean, I'm pretty excited. I hope you are too. While I have you, the other thing that I just wanted to note is the rest of the chapters. So week 10 is supportive healthcare. And again, you have a discussion board and then a data resource database. This is a Padlet. So I show you how to title it, and then I give you an example of Judy Basham and I worked on this together. I give you an example of what she posted in the discussion board or in the Padlet. So it's kind of just another platform. We like to use fun ones so that we can hopefully get more engagement throughout our classes and within our own community. And Padlet's just kind of fun. So when you open up Padlet, there is a little plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. When you click on that, you'll be able to enter your information. So super excited for this one. I feel like the information is detailed, but again, if you ever have a question, reach out to me. Okay, so I know that was like an overview of week 9 and week 10. But in this case, I also feel like they're very similar within their assignments and topics that it will be a benefit for you to have the information ahead of time. All right, we will talk to you soon.